In this video, we're going to look at how you can track the orders and ticket sales for your registration events. So we're in the main events area. I'm going to scroll down to one of my registration and ticketing events right here. I'm going to click on it. And we're going to scroll down to the orders and ticket sales tool. And here is where you can track all the orders that come in for your event. Starting at the top here, here's where you can download a PDF or a CSV file of your orders and ticket sales. And the CSV file you can open up inside of Excel. If you click on the ticket or the filter field right here, you can either type in the first or last name to search that way, or you can even search by like order number or date. So you can use that filter field to quickly find tickets. You can also use the filters checkboxes over here to filter for certain types of tickets. Below that, or next to that, you can click on the arrows and the columns to sort by, the person placing the order, or the date, or even the order number. And down below in the ticket sales area, you can view at a glance how many attendees you have, the date, how many tickets you have sold, and your gross sales. And if you click on ticket breakdowns, that will show you not only your gross sales and all tickets you've sold to date, but you can also track numbers by each ticket. So sales and quantity sold and net sales to date. To view a ticket, just simply go to find it right here and click on it. So we're going to click on this ticket right here. This is a ticket that was paid by credit card. You can click on the refund button to refund it. You can also click here to resend a confirmation email. It shows where the sale came in from, it shows the ticket information, and it shows right here it was paid by credit card. At the bottom it will show the attendees that are in that order. Also it'll show if they have been checked in via the check-in tool, and here's where you can download the ticket or view the attendee information. We're going to go back here and we're going to exit out of that order. We're going to go into another order that was paid by check. You can see here all the order information. It'll tell you whether it's paid or not. And here again are all the attendees that were registered in that order. I'm going to click on the back button again. Also, that's where you can refund the check area. And I'm going to go into an order where it was placed by check, but it hasn't been paid yet. So you can void the order right there. You can mark it as paid when the check comes in. Right here it says if it has been paid or not yet, and when the order will be automatically voided and the ticket's released if you do not receive the check. So that's how you can manage all of your orders and ticket sales and view them all and run reports for them. But if you have additional questions, please let us know.